Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Tie the hairs from both the sides and then rotate it. Divide it into two parts and fix them on the alternative sides. Join them together on the downside like this. Tie it using the rubber band. Fix them on the alternative sides again. Join them together and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we will take the hairs from the left side, make the plaits on it like this. Take the hairs from the sides one by one and then make the plaits by joining it together. Take it to the back as we are doing in this video. After that, fix it on the right side as shown. Now tie them together, fold it upward and make the bun out of it. Fix it and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs and make the plaits on it like this. Fold it upward and fix it and your bun is ready. Next, take the hairs into small sections and make the plaits out of it like this. After that, take the hairs and then join them one by one as we are doing. Now roll it upward and fix it like this and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the hairs on the back like this. Now make the plaits, pull out the hairs from the sides, roll it upward and fix it to make a small cute bun and your hairstyle is ready. Follow the same step for a few more times and at the end it's done. Next, using this bun stick, roll the hairs like this and fix it on the top and your bun is ready. Thanks for watching.